Let's focus on some innovative wood splitting tools. Today, GoWood introduces to you the best tools that make the job easier and more attractive than ever. Let's see. Use the Rotten H20 with Keto 650 Supreme to fell large diameter trees with great precision thanks to the compact 4-wheel steering system and powerful crane. The Rotten H20 easily performs high-level work, making it the ideal companion in our work. Why settle for less when you can have the perfect balance of power and mechanics? With this design, you can comfortably turn hard work into pleasure. The MVI 2315 is an impressive wood splitter that is easy to assemble and quite cheap. The first effect when seeing the machine is that the drill head can easily split large diameter logs. Oh my gosh! You can see a monster wood splitter with a hydraulic system of up to 15 tons. This thing will destroy any log you throw at it. This is a cool setup for DIY lovers. Who told you that woodworking has to be boring? A homemade machine that turns the mundane into something magical. Like turning a rough diamond into a shining gem. The unwavering efficiency of this wood splitter is unparalleled. This simple yet sturdy structure ensures durability. The operating speed maximizes your output without compromising accuracy. Wood processor, a new design based on your old plows, combined with a very useful wood splitter. This design will not disappoint you in terms of creativity.
This one-pass system
Homemade
allows them to
hydraulic
burn
wood splitters
green
are
wood
like having a
within 2 to
reliable,
3 weeks of
powerful
cutting
teammate.
and split.
They take the hard work out of splitting wood and replace it with efficient power,
With a
built with
30-inch
precision
stroke.
and practicality.
I think it puts out
These
around
machines are
45
usually
tons
sturdy enough to
pressure.
handle any
Made
type
with
of wood.
salvage combine feeder chains from a local John Deere dealer.
The ends, and then I rigged up orb. It's number 70 chain and a sprocket that drives everything ahead or back.
Sold locally. Since many of the components in the wood splitter were salvaged, he figures the total material very good investment.
This machine does its job like a pro, with the motor whirring. You might wonder if this is the natural process. The perfect blend of creativity and necessity. It is not just a tool but a reflection of practical ingenuity and the desire to make difficult work easy. Game changer. In your woodworking process with up to 30 tons of splitting force. Wood splitter without wasting too much time. It has a log lifting system and automatically cuts and splits logs. Fender's 80 tons and 80-ton log splitter with 24-piece auger. Hydraulically adjustable, the machine can handle large logs.